H5N1 bird flu has been found in a pig in Oregon. Here's why that could be a big deal. Hi, I'm Helen Branswell. I cover infectious diseases for STAT. H5N1 is a bird flu virus, a bad one. It's high on the list of viruses that health agencies fear could cause a flu pandemic at some point. And now the U.S. Department of Agriculture has announced it's been found in 1 and possibly 2 pigs on a small, non-commercial farm in Oregon. This is the first time it's been found in pigs in the United States. H5N1 is supposed to infect wild birds and other waterfowl, but it sometimes gets into poultry operations where it kills chickens. And since earlier this year, it's been circulating in dairy cows in the United States. So pigs play a special role in the evolution of flu viruses. In fact, scientists call them the mixing vessel for flu viruses. There's a bunch of reasons for this. They are highly susceptible to flu. They can be infected with both bird flu viruses and human flu viruses. At any given time, there are lots of flu viruses circulating in pig populations. If pigs are co-infected with multiple strains of flu, the viruses can swap genes, effectively creating hybrid viruses that can transmit to people. These hybrid viruses can be a threat to people. That's actually the way the 2009 H5N1 flu pandemic started. People who work with pigs or attend state fairs can catch flu from pigs. A few of these cases are reported every year in this country. Mostly these are one-off infections. The infected person doesn't infect someone else. Up until now, H5N1 has occasionally infected people, but it can't spread easily from person to person. If it picked up new genes by circulating in pigs, it might get better at doing that, and that could cause a pandemic. H5N1 has been around for decades. And there have been a few reports over those years from other countries of occasional infections of pigs, but there have been no reports of sustained spread in swine, either abroad or in the United States. The Oregon case could be a one-off, but it's a reminder of the risk that bird flu poses if it gets into pigs. The U.S. Department of Agriculture says that the Oregon case poses no risk to the safety of the country's meat supply.